I've been staying here for some months now, and I'm currently going to take a boat tour. I also have an opportunity that I'm going to share with you guys, so just stay with me. I'll use my phone and show you. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and also hit the follow button. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to earn with your smartphone using MPC. So MPC is one of the projects that is currently ongoing on Binance. Even on Tuesday, we traded it. Most of my students make money from. So today I'm going to use my Binance app and show you how to use it to earn passive income, right? So what you need to do is to open your Binance account. Obviously, you need a verified Binance account. Once you have a verified Binance account, then you come to the features section, right? So how to trade MPC. I'm going to show you how to trade NXPC. So to trade NXPC, when you open your Binance account, just come to the features section. Okay, when you are on the features section, right, we need to transfer money into our features account so that we can use it to leverage. So I'll click on the available balance here. So once I click on the available balance, I'm just going to deposit like $100 into my account. I'll just enter $100. Okay, 100, confirm. So I've just transferred $100 to my Binance account. This is what we are going to use to trade NXPC, right? So to trade NXPC, it's already listed on the features and spot. So you can trade it on spot, you can also trade it on features. But in this tutorial, I am trading features, so I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to take a position using the features. So to do this, you will need to select the coin. So just click on the search box at the top left hand side. Now what you need to do is you are going to type in NX. Okay, so just type in NXPC, NXPC. Okay, perpetual. You make sure you select the perpetual features. Okay, so once I select perpetual features, to change the leverage to 25x. So I'll change leverage to 25x. Don't go beyond 25x because this token is currently new. So I'll change it to 25x. Then I'll leave it at cross margin. So for the limit, you change it to market. Your own will be on limit. So anytime you are going to take a trade, we have limit orders and market orders. Limit orders, you want to take the trade at a particular price. Market orders, you want to enter the trade right now. So we are using market orders. So I'll change it to market orders. Then we need to add our take profit and stop loss. If you have not watched the video on how to generate your own signals, this video description, you'll get the link so that you can learn how to generate your take profit and stop loss. So this particular token, I'm going to sell it, right? Usually when a new token is listed on Binance or any exchange, at first it will just pump for some hours, then it will start dumping. It will take like 2 to 3 weeks before people will notice it's very important. NXP is on Web3 and it helps in gaming for web developers who are using blockchain. So what we are going to do now is we are going to drag here to like 3%. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to go with 15%. That's $15. Then I'll sell the token. Once I sell it, I need to add my take profit and stop loss. So to add my take profit and stop loss, I want to know how much I'm going to make and also how much I'm going to lose on this trade. So I'll click on the set TP/SL, right? So we click on set TP/SL. Then we'll click on position TP/SL. So when you click on position TP/SL, the next thing that you need to do is we will need to enter our take profit. And remember the last tutorial, I told you guys that the take profit is where you want to exit the market if the trade is going in your favor, and we have the stop loss where you want to exit the market if the trade is not going in your favor. So first of all, I'll enter my take profit. So my take profit can be 1.5. okay, so if this coin goes to 1.5 USDT, I'm going to make a profit of $176. Now my stop loss can be $3. So assuming this coin decide to rise to $3, I'm going to lose $45. So I'll just confirm. So I'm risking like $45 to make 175, meaning 1:3 risk reward ratio. Anytime you are going to take a trade, always be looking at 1:3 risk reward ratio. And when you take a trade like this, don't expect it to just go straight into take profit. It can take days. Sometimes it can just take 24 hours depending on the trading session. So for example, if you take a trade from Monday to Friday, it will just take like within 7 hours it will hit your take profit. I'll explain the margin ratio and also the P&L. So when you enter a trade, you see that we have positions, we also have open orders, and we have the trade itself. So when you click on positions, you see that NXPC perpetual 25x, P&L plus 0.29, meaning the current profit on this trade is almost $1, right? ROI means return on investment. Then we have the margin ratio, which shows the amount of your margin you are currently using on the trade. So if I want to close this trade, I'll just click on close. Then I can decide to close 50% or 100%. For now, because the coin was listed just yesterday and it's still in a downtrend, so I'll hold it till tomorrow. Like I said, anytime a new token is listed on an exchange like Mexi, Binance, Bybit or OKX, it will just pump for some hours, then it will start dropping because people who initially invest in it, they'll start taking their profit. And when they start taking their profit, that's when you see the coin dropping. So it will take like 1 to 2 weeks, then you see the coin rising again. So for now, we are in a sell position on Mexi. We already traded, that was on Tuesday. So I just decided to use this opportunity and do a tutorial for you guys so that you can also try it out. So if you have any issues, you can just share a comment or you can send me a message on WhatsApp. $175 if it goes well. So I can click on the home page. Once I click on the home page, I'll just come to the earn button here. But before we do Binance Earn with this particular token, we first have to convert our money to BNB. So I'll just convert my money to BNB, right? Okay. So to convert my money to BNB, I'll just type in the search box. Once I type in the search box, I'll click on convert. So we need to convert our USDT to BNB. So I'll just convert like $30 to BNB. So we need to, I'll just convert $30 to BNB. So you see they are already telling us NXPC. So there are two ways you can also qualify for their airdrop. You can either use the NXPC, you just convert your USDT straight to NXPC, or you convert it to BNB and you do it on Binance Earn. For me, I usually convert the USDT to BNB, then I'll use it on Binance Earn, because I told you guys earlier that anytime a new token is listed on an exchange, it will just pump for some hours, then it will start going down. It can take 2 to 3 weeks to start rising because people who already invested in it in the past, they are now taking profit. So after they take their profit, then the initial rising will start, just like virtual, hype and all these tokens. Usually when it's listed, people will start taking profit because there is enough volume, enough liquidity. So what I need to do is I'm just going to click on the NXPC, then I will change it to BNB, right? So we change it to, we type in BNB, then we'll just confirm. Okay, so now I've converted the $30 to BNB. So I'm now going to use it for the simple earn. So to do simple earn, you go back to the home page again, type in simple earn. When I click on simple earn, let's go, we have more section at the top left hand side. So I'll click on the more section at the top left hand side. Okay, and then I'll just click on the NXPC. Do we have NXPC here? We have simple earn, right? You see we have NXPC with a yield of 39%. So a yield of 39%, you can see it here. So I'll just click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, now we need to convert our money to NXPC so that we can easily do this. So I'll just click on maximum section, but before we do that, let's go back to our convert section. So I'll click on convert section like I told you before. Then we'll convert like $50. Okay, so with $50, let's see, $50, let's type in $50. $50 will give us 18.55 NXPC. So I'll just confirm again. Now we'll go back to our trading simple N. So to go to simple N, right, you can see on your Binance top left hand side. So click on top left hand side, then you come down, we have N. So click on N here on the recommended section, click on simple N. So when you click on simple N, we select NXPC. So we select NXPC. I'll just click on max, so meaning I'm investing 18 NXPC on the simple N dashboard. So basically what I need to do next is I'll just click on confirm. So you can see I've successfully subscribed for simple N with NXPC. So now I can go back. So this is how you do it. If you have any issues, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Make sure you subscribe and also follow me for more tutorials like this.